Hey everybody, just wanted to share something with you. A little while ago I saw that Volkswagen offered, in 2006, they offered a specially made guitar, a special edition guitar made by First Act for their 2006 models. And they had all sorts of ad campaigns with John Mayer and Slash playing the guitar. What the gimmick was, because this has a built-in amplifier module, it basically, all you have to do is plug it into your car stereo and you could rock out, because it didn't require external amplification. And so, but when I first saw that it was made by First Act, I'm like, because you know, those are the ones at Wal Mart where they're really cheap and they don't stay in tune. But these were made by First Act, but they were never made for mass consumption, or you know, and so they put a lot more effort into these, and it's actually quite a good guitar, surprisingly so. It's got this little blue light that comes on when you switch on the amplifier. There's a battery pack on the back of it, and it gives us kind of a clean So that was clean, and you can up it up a notch by evolving this. The two switches next to it, where this switch is for the tone control, and the other switch is for adding distortion. So it's kind of nice that way, you know. I've got it hooked up to my stereo. It doesn't sound very loud. My stereo wasn't very loud in the first place, but I thought it was kind of a cool little gimmick. The cool thing about this one also is that this is actually supposed to be a pearlette, kind of a white pick guard, but it's aged over time and it's actually yellowed and darkened, and so it actually is more of a gold color. I thought, hey, this matches my Sunbug. So that's kind of why I wanted to get this one. It plays well, it stays in tune. It's a really easy playing guitar. I've got some songs I'm actually writing with this. It's kind of fun, and I'll share those with you as well. To me, this is kind of a new thing, obviously, but it's actually an old gimmick. But I decided I want to share it with you, and have a great day. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think.